All right, guys, let me ask you a question. Why do you really want to invest in real estate? I find a lot of people are involved in this business for maybe the wrong things or maybe reasons that aren't going to get them very far in this business. I'll give you a few reasons that I hear for people that want to invest in real estate that aren't going to get them very far, or maybe the wrong reasons to really get going in this business. Number one, I hear people that want to get involved in real estate investing because they hate their job, okay? I mean, I can commiserate. I've had jobs I hated in the past and all that, but I can tell you that investing in real estate is also a job. There's work you've got to do. This is not like, maybe at some point you can get there, but not in the foreseeable future will you be sipping Mai Tais on a beach on a regular basis. It is something that it takes a lot of work to build the business up. And even once you hit a lot of passive income coming in, you still got to work to maintain it. So it's not a no work position. So don't invest in real estate because you don't want to work or because you hate your job. If you hate your job, just get a new job. There's other jobs out there. That's not why you should get involved in this business. Another reason why I've heard people invest in real estate is simply for the purpose of making money. Now that's a good that's not a good reason per se. I mean, I get it as long as you've got something behind that why that you want to do with the money, okay? But investing in real estate just for simply to make money is not good enough, because there are days where investing in real estate you might have a few setbacks, and just making money is not going to be a good enough why for you to stay in the game. You've got to have a why beyond making money. Like, what do you want to do with that money, right? Once you make the money, so now what? Well, okay, I want to make money so I can send my kids to college, or I want to make money so my wife doesn't have to work, or so I don't have to work. Whatever, I can just focus on real estate investing because I really love it, because it's my passion. That's a good why. But investing in real estate just for the simple sake of making money is not, in its sense, a good reason, okay? Here's a few good reasons why investing in real estate is a good idea. Number one, you love it. That's the first one, is that you love the creation that comes along with investing in real estate. Maybe you love the renovation side of real estate investing, or there's some facet of real estate investing, providing roofs over people's heads, whatever it is that you enjoy, okay? If there's a part of this business that you enjoy, then you should expand on that and find that joy in real estate investing. That's number one. Number two is because real estate investing can, once you get established in it, it can give you back time. It is a vehicle that, especially if you're in rental real estate, you can make monthly income from your rentals and make checks from your rentals that are not correlated to how many hours you put in. That's a great reason to invest in real estate, is so that you can get back control of your time, right? And not have to trade hours for dollars, meaning I put in X amount of hours to make X amount of dollars. Most of you folks that are working by the hour right now are working in a job, it's trading hours for dollars. But real estate is not that. There's a lot of hours you have to put in the beginning to get it going, but once you're in, it kind of sustains itself, and the time you put in versus the amount of money you make is not directly correlated, okay? Those are two good reasons. Maybe it's a passion, maybe it's time, but another good reason to invest in real estate is because there is a wealth building factor to it. Wealth building is not a sprint. It's not something you're gonna like snap your fingers and achieve instant wealth of millions of dollars for yourself or anything like that. But over time, real estate investing can create millions of dollars in wealth for you if you play your cards right, if you do the right thing, if you invest in the right properties, if you get a little bit lucky, it's okay, but you'll still be able to create long-term wealth for yourself and for your family. That's legacy wealth you can pass down to your family or whatever it is. And then there's wealth building for those that are involved with you as either investors or as team members or whatever it is too. So those are three great reasons to invest in real estate: wealth, time, and passion. Those are good reasons. To make money because you hate your job, those are all not good reasons to invest in real estate. And you shouldn't be investing in real estate if that's why you want to get into it, because there's other outlets, other things you could get yourself into in that. So that's what I got for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Check us out on go to BiggerPockets.com to hear more about real estate investing tactics, and make sure you like and share this video so that others can hear more about it and hear about BiggerPockets and hear about great reasons to invest in real estate. And I've also got one more idea for you. If you want to expand to your network and raise money from people that you already know for your business, like I talk about in my book, Raising Private Capital, share this video right now, because you sharing this video will say, hey guys, listen, to people in my network, I love real estate investing. This guy's talking about why maybe you might not want to. Here's why I am. And it's because I want to own my time, or because I've got a passion for this business, or because I've got some other reason why real estate investing is very important to me. And I'm not in it for the reasons why he says we shouldn't be. I'm in it for the reasons why he says that we should. Put it out on your Facebook page, and I promise you, people may start noticing that you're involved in the real estate investing conversations, and people may come to you and say, hey, geez, I'd love to invest in real estate too. My problem is I just don't have the time. And maybe you've got yourself a new private lender right there, or a new private partner, which I talk about more in my book, Raising Private Capital. So make sure to like and share this thing for selfish reasons for yourself, guys, and also to help out BiggerPockets too. That's what I got for you guys. Have a great and profitable week.